Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can get apps reports alerts in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. Google Admin Apps Report gives insights into the user's activity in the Google Workspace apps. It helps to examine the usage of apps by the users if they obey the security requirements, password, two-step verification, etc., and find out the major security risks. As an administrator of your organization, you have access to all the administrative information. Now, instead of presenting them bluntly, you can create a report and share these details. These reports produce a series of charts and graphs that contain data about your domain's users. You can monitor and examine the potential security risks. Although Google Admin Console does provide exporting these apps reports, but it does not have an automation alert feature via email. Using xFanatical Foresight, we will generate app report alerts and email them to the IT admin. For the time, we cannot export reports because of Google Admin Console API limitations. Instruction: Rule creation. Sign into your xFanatical Foresight account and click the New Rule button. Select the Recurring Times trigger. Select the Start Time. Here you should select a time at least 15 minutes later. Then select Repeat every 1 day. After that, select the Ends Time. Here, we've been selecting Never. You can select other times as per your requirements. Click Next. Select the Convert Date action. Then select the current date in the source date field. After that, select the Date Change steps, so select Subtract and 3 days. Enter date as the variable name. Select Add Next action, then select the Get Apps Report action. Now select the date in the date field. Again, click Add Next action. Select the If action. Then, set the following condition in Branch 1. Select the Exchanged Email Count variable and is greater than the operator and email count 2. Click Add Next action. Select Email action. Enter the manager's email in the To field and select a subject line. Now create an email body and insert the Exchange Email Count variable. Click the If action again from the workflow diagram on the right side. Now set the second branch. Select the Drive Storage Used variable is greater than in the operator and 100 megabytes as value. Similarly, set the conditions for 7 days logins and anyone with link shares. Moreover, the Get Apps Report action has a lot of reports you can choose according to your need. Click Review. Enter the rule name and click Create. As you can see, the rule has been created. Verifying results. Although this rule is auto-enabled, we still need to wait for at least 15 minutes. And then this rule will send the alert when any of the if conditions is met. So as you can see in the logs page, the manager received 2 alerts. One is for drive storage used exceeds the limit, and the other is for exchange email count exceeds the limit. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.